My first project meeting, I turned up as a lead on a set of sandblasting equipment. And in the first meeting we had, there were 10 people and everyone turned up with at least 2 A4 ring binders. Now, one of our purchasing team rocked up with 5. Now, she's only about 5'6", but you can imagine carrying 5 of these double-sized A4 ring binders, about 350 yards through doors. I just sat there and thought I'd gone back to the 1950s. It was scary for me to leave a business. So I'd left the technology business. I was technical pre-sales for a CAD company. So we went out and did all of the, oh, look at this fantastic stuff. Here's how it can do everything that you want in 3.2 seconds instead of 12 weeks. So coming to this business and going, people are still carrying around bits of paper to make sure that they know what they're talking about. It was an absolute shock. So that was just an example of how traditional we were as a business.